Hello, YouTube. This is your reviewer, Slingshot Sortman. I'm coming back to you with another review of a product for Slingshots, uh, specifically for the 2018 model. This is a no-brainer. Everybody who owns a Slingshot needs to have this. If you've ever gotten stuck where your Slingshot is the battery's gone dead and you have to jump start it, if you know where the battery is, it's going to be a pain in the tail. Companies out there have totally fixed this problem. It's a jump start port kit for the Polaris Slingshot from 2015 to 2018. I believe the 19s might actually have a port already installed. Don't quote me on that one. However, I just received one. I installed it. Took about 30 minutes. I installed mine right behind the driver's seat. Actually, Slingmods has a great video for how to install this product. It is an utmost necessity. You must have this. It's a must-have. If you've ever had to jump start a motorcycle, I've had to jump start motorcycles. I've been riding since, like I said, I was 14 years old. You ain't gonna push start a Slingshot. It's just not gonna happen. Yeah, the thing weighs 1,600 pounds. It's not gonna. You could, I guess, but yeah, you don't want to. This jump start port, it comes in a kit. Everything's provided for you. Even a hole thing you attach on your drill to make a hole in the back behind your driver's seat. It's a snap. It took me 30 minutes. If I'm ever stranded, all I can do is get out of my Slingshot, slide the seat forward, slide the back part forward, plug in my positive and negatives from somebody else on with jumper cables, crank her up. It's ready to go. It's probably one of the best products out there. You can't go wrong with it. It's a great product. It's hotter than heck out here in North Carolina, and those vests I mentioned, they came in very well today. Me and the wife went riding this morning. It was 95 degrees outside, and we were riding without a problem. It felt like air conditioner. So, if you like this review, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. If it works, we know how YouTube is. It is what it is. And I'll see you on the road.